Basically, it's one product. It's starting at 6:30 all the way till 11:15. It's basically one show. Pre-game does the handoff to the game, and then as soon as the game's over, they toss directly to the post-game show before you take that break. Because I was never a fan of when the game ends going to break. That's basically telling everybody at home, just go watch something else. So hand off to the post-game guys, do 2 or 3 minute segment, tease the post-game show, and then take that end-of-game adjacency break.
I think the days of assuming that everybody's just going to watch post-game, unless it's the Golden State Warriors or the Cubs probably, is not really accurate anymore. So I think as a group, we have to do a better job in-game to drive people to post-game by either social media or polls or something, because we do a lot of traditional broadcasts. We have a lot of people who have been in our group for a very long time. So I think it goes back to a conversation someone had before. We're trying to really, change some habits.
Sure.
And we're working on that on daily because, I think one of the good things about our business is we don't have a ton of turnover in our rooms, but also that's a bad thing too because times are changing and we need to change with them. So we're really actively trying to figure that out going into what can we do in games to make sure people will watch post game.